Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com, Friday, 27 February. We're sponsored by Interlux, makers of the most effective luminaire to graze a featured wall. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. Yesterday, the big story was about Cree Lighting and how they have announced a long-term contract manufacturing agreement with what they call a highly regarded U.S. lighting manufacturer specializing in industrial and harsh environment applications. We do not know who that is. We published their press release yesterday in full, and the announcement is probably good for Cree Lighting, but bad for the few employees left in Racine. Light in Building 2026 is almost here, and our schedule is packed. This year, our plan is simple: cover more ground, capture more content, and connect with as many people as possible across the global lighting community. Find out more at edisonreport.com. Submissions are now open for the 2026 Top 10 Must-See Products at Leducation. Exhibitors can showcase standout innovations selected by judges and featured by the Edison Report. The deadline for submissions is 17 March. Visit edisonreport.com for details. Signify is seeking $4.3 million in attorney's fees after a jury found Lepro willfully infringed patents, arguing the case qualifies as exceptional due to litigation conduct. Read that full story at edisonreport.com. And the Dow was up 17 points, but NASDAQ dropped 274. NVIDIA led the NASDAQ down, losing 5% despite their incredible earnings report. Acuity gained 99 cents. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great weekend. Pray for peace.